Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Seth Karstens, and I want to talk to you today about using Login with Google button. It uses a service by Google that lets you authenticate with your Google account into other applications, like Fansided.com's login. If you're on any sites on the Fansided network, you will be able to use the Login with Google button if you have a Google account. If you have a Fansided.com email address, you already have a Google account. If you do not, you'll have to sign up for one. Let's go get one now. This account will be created just for testing purposes. This is not my actual birth date, but you have to be a certain age in order to use Google, so I'm just using a date that's old enough. And if you have a current personal email address, you can set that in here in case you forget your username. They will be able to send your password or password reset instructions to your old email address. Okay, now we have a new email address. It's really important that I update my user profile in WordPress to have this email address because it has to match. It uses this email address matching in order to authenticate you into your user in WordPress. Now that we have our user, let's go to gmail.com and show that we're logged in here. So now we're logged into Google. Now that we're logged into Google, we should be able to use the Login with Google button. Now again, this only works if the email address from Google matches the one that you log in with. If it doesn't, I'm going to show you where to update that. You can go ahead and allow. And it's let me log in. Now I'm logging into a test instance of fansided.com. I'm not doing anything live in production. But you can see I didn't have to type a username and password. It used the email address to associate my login and let me in because it knows who I am. I am the owner of that email address and I am a Fansided contributor. Now again, this only works if your email address that's in your profile matches your Google account. In this case, Fansided contributor's email address is in my email field. If for some reason you've used another email address here, you can come into your profile and change it at any time. Please keep in mind that if you change your email address, it may email you a confirmation to your old email address just to make sure that securely it's you trying to change your email address. You'll have to click the confirmation link before your new email will become active. From this point forward, I don't actually need to remember my username and password anymore. I can now just click the one-click Login with Google button, and it'll let me in every time.